What's up, everybody? Real fast, I hopped in here because this is the FTMO challenge. As you can see, we are approaching the passing mark. We are right there. It's looking like we're about to hit passing. We're at the mark. I wanted to record this live to show you that this is the demo account. We will be passing this live. I wanted to just record it to show you that I am testing a new robot to show that the robots do work. Let me start closing out. We're there. We're there. Yep, so this is it. We just passed it live in front of you guys. That's it. That's it. We passed the challenge in front of you live. It don't get no realer than that. This is the demo, however, but the same parameters are going to work for the regular challenge. I just wanted to record this to show you this is done in one day. I did do this while I was asleep, and I'm not doing that to brag. I'm just trying to show you that you can automate your trading and make it easier. As you can see from looking, this is the demo account. I did pass the challenge live in front of you. I did pass the FTMO challenge live in front of you guys, okay? So just please keep in mind, I did do this live in front of you, okay? I don't want people to think that something else is going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to this account. As you can see, this is the real account. This is the real demo account, rather. I don't want to mislead anybody. But as you can see, you know, this is the results. This is the results. This is it. This is it. It's going to update here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Profit target was 500. Did it. We just did it, as you can see right now. When you look down, when you go back and look at it, you can see that the target was hit at the bottom. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple. Okay, so let's switch over. Well, I'll just leave it here. But the bottom line is, I just want you guys to see that this stuff is possible. This is a robot that did this. It did it by itself. I just set the parameters. I did know the settings to put in. I did know what to do. I practiced this challenge quite a bit. I may want to say quite a bit. I took 3 of them before demos, and I accidentally passed it. And I thought I failed, and I didn't understand the objectives properly. And apparently, I passed it. They told me that I passed. They sent me an email saying that I passed it. Now, just to let you know, I did take 15 trades to do that. And the reason it took 15 trades to do that is because I wanted to show that I could trade, and keep the proper risk management on the trade. So that's the only reason that you see the 15 trades there. So let's go back to the chart and look at it real fast. Yeah, as you can see, you see the 15 trades. That's the reason you see that. That's the reason you see all of that. And I did it in one day. It said it was 2 days, but I turned it on last night right before 12. The robot, it took the first trade, which was some gold trades. It did lose those trades. It did lose them. Don't get me wrong. It did lose. That's why you see that little dip right here. You know, as you see it going down, you see the dip right here. This was the gold trade. And you see how it lost almost everything. You see? It almost lost the whole account, but I closed those trades, and then I went to sleep, and then I closed those trades, waited, and then turned the roll back on and went back to sleep. And as you can see now, we passed everything. So like I said, this will update, and it will have the right parameters. Sometimes it kind of lags with that, but as you can see, it's updated now. You see the curve? You guys see it? So like I said, this was done in one day. It is a $10,000 account. The 100,000, 200,000, same parameters. It doesn't matter. The math is the math. Long as you know it, you could pass this. Okay, so it's easy to do. As you can see, everything is passed. The trading days not passed. The challenge is passed, people. See, all I need now is the minimum trading days. This was done in one day. I'm recording this live to show you guys. This was done in one day. See, it says I took 4 trades. This was the gold trades yesterday. 3 of them hit, 1 of them didn't. It was kind of bad. You see the average loss was $47. Don't worry about it, guys. If you want to hit us up, I will tell you the secret sauce to this. You don't have to pay me to tell you the secret sauce to the trading. There is a formula you have to use. It's very simple, but people kind of don't tell you. I'll probably make a video telling you, because it's not like I'm trying to hold this hostage for money or anything. But like I said, there is a formula to this, and once I learned that formula, it made passing these challenges very easy. So we're here. I saw that I was passing the challenge. I went to go get a cup of coffee, and I was talking to my business partner, one of them, and I told him, I said, hey man, I think this challenge is going to be beaten one day. And I went from beating these challenges over the course of like 10 days to just now it's a one-day thing. But it's really not me, it's the formula plus the robot. Once you know the formula, you could just program it into the robot to do the rest for you guys. And that's pretty much what happened. Okay? So as you can see, it's live, it's real. I'm not gonna make the video too much longer than what it already is. I just wanted to come in here and record this live and show you guys that it's possible, okay? So just know that it is very possible for it to get done, and it's done. We here. It happened. So what else do you guys want to know? If you want any information, hit me up in the comments. Follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that, man. Definitely promoting the Discord. You guys get direct access to me in the Discord. Some of you guys hit me up. Some of you guys told me about some software you brought. I will real quick say to the people that ordered the software and the order got canceled, there was some issue with verifying information on the merchant account, which I rectified. I didn't know they needed some more information from the business perspective, and I took care of it. It wasn't nothing rinky-dink or nothing like that. It's just simply they needed a little bit more verification to authorize the merchant account. It is a legit company, so I had to do legit business, and you know, when you're doing legit business, you have to do it their way because it's their business. So for the people that ordered the robots and your orders got canceled, that's just to make sure that if you don't receive what you order, your money gets refunded to you. So it's not like we're running around here with your money. You get what you want, then we get paid. That's how that works. So I got that set up that way just to do honest business. I don't want people sending money to the website or to us at the company, and you're not getting what you want. It's you pay for what you get. You get what you pay for. So I apologize to the people that your orders got canceled, but it had to happen that way. So anyway, I'm out of here, man. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. This is live. I did it live in front of you guys just to show you that it's real, okay? Pass the demo. Now tomorrow I'm gonna start the regular challenge. Same parameters. Just gotta keep your eye on it. Even though I had the robot running and I went to sleep, I still had my mindset to keep my eye on this and not let it run too wild. Because if you go over the max daily loss, you fail the challenge just from that alone. And that's usually what gets people. The drawdown and the max daily challenges is usually what gets people. But like I said, I do have a formula to prevent that from happening. And if it does happen, it's because you pretty much just walked away and had a bunch of trades going bad on you. But I have the answer to all of that, okay? So once again, as you can see, we just passed the FTMO. And yeah, it's time to go to the real thing now. And that's another demo account. And just to let people know too, if you ever see people posting FTMO, just to let you guys know something, because people be thinking they know a little bit because they know how to trade a little. You don't know everything, but with FTMO, with prop firm accounts, they're not going to give you a real account for a prop firm account ever. Even when you trade, you're not trading on a real account. Even though there's a demo and then there's live, you don't get a real live account to trade on even when you pass the challenge. Okay, so just let you guys know that. Don't think that because you pass the challenge, if you see somebody and it doesn't say something like live account, that could be a real prop firm account. And it just doesn't say that because that's how prop firm accounts do work. So just keep that in mind, because some people, the comments I read and the things I see, you wouldn't believe. Anyway, I digress. I'm out of here, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you got any questions, just hit us up, man. Let us know. All right, peace.